When crypto market dips, sometimes it feels it's not going to rise, and when it pumps, sometimes it feels like it's never going to dip. So if you understand this and know how it works, you can make profit off the market. Just look at what happened last year. Solana jumped over 6,000% by November 2021, and you can see it turned $100 into $6,000 in less than 1 year. If only we invested only $100 early January, and that's about 6,000% of your money. Look at this NFT project known as Mana. Like, if you have invested $100 beginning of 2021, by November 2021, you gain a profit of over 22,000, and that's 200% money in less than a year. Another NFT project called Axie Infinity, it jumped over as high as 36,000%, and that is, if you had invested $100 in January 2021, in less than a year later, you will be up over 36,000. And I've been in crypto space since 2016, and people keep asking me, how do you make money with Forex and crypto? But the truth is, if you don't get proper education or guidance, you continue to lose money. Trade goes up and down, and each direction it takes, it enriches millions of people every day. You see, most people, especially the novice, they keep asking, how do you come into the crypto space? And you can't do this without proper education. You will see them making mistakes by buying at the top of the market. When the market eventually goes down, they accumulate massive loss. This is because they don't know at what point to buy, where to take profits, or even where to exit the market. I picked Ethereum in 2016 when it was just $9, and it has jumped as high as 1,000% simply because I have proper education and I know when to buy, when to take profits, when to exit the market, and finally knowing when to re-enter into the market. In 2019, I picked BNB when it was just $5, and it has jumped as high as 8,000%. Also, I picked another crypto called Shiba Inu in early February of 2021 before it exploded in November, and it went as high as over 41,000%. Do you want to learn valuable and practical lessons that can help you change your life, starting from knowing how to analyze the market, doing technical analysis, and spotting profitable trades? Welcome to Skyview Academy. Here we have created a program and built an army of Nigerian crypto trading community where we help you make profit from the crypto market. Also, you will have the opportunity to join our Signal group where we will be able to show you where to buy the market, where to take profit, and even exit. Join us today and start making profitable trades with us.